Oh no, I am late today. I must be fast. Michael will be late.
I must go to the office early today. I have a meeting. See you in the evening. Goodbye. Let's go. Hurry.
Good morning, Mom. How are you?
I'm fine. Sit down. Breakfast is almost ready.
It smells good.
Thank you. Wash your hands first. Ugh, my tooth. It hurts a lot. I can't chew. The pain is sharp. I need a dentist now. Mom, are you okay? Does it hurt a lot? We should go to the dentist.
Hurry up. The meeting is about to start. Oh no, my entry card. I don't have it. Please? I forgot my entry card. My meeting is starting. Pick up the call. It's urgent.
It still hurts a lot. I can't stand it. What should we do? Mom, we should go to the dentist now. Here, Mom, your bag. Yes, let's go. My tooth hurts. No ride, no driver. Mom is in pain. What now? Let's go outside. We will find a ride.
Please stop here! Please stop here! It's urgent!
Where do you want to go?
Dental hospital. Hurry, please. You need to take us right away. How much will you charge to go to the dental hospital?
To the dental hospital. All right, that'll be 50. Emily, please pick up. Why aren't you answering? Why aren't you answering? Emily, call me. Urgent.
Hurry! Mom is very sick.
I am trying, but there is too much traffic. I can't drive fast.
My tooth pain is very bad. And when I think about treatment, I feel more worried.
It will be okay, Mom.
We will reach very soon.
Thank you. Today you helped us a lot. My mom has a bad toothache. Please help us fast.
Okay, please write her name here.
Yes, please, hurry.
She looks very sick. Please pay the fee quickly and wait.
What is that sound? I'm very scared.
It is a dental unit air compressor.
It's okay, Mom. Everything will be fine. Emily.
Hello, Emily. Please sit here.
My tooth hurts a lot. I'm scared.
How did the pain start? Tell me in detail.
It started at breakfast. I ate toast. Then a sharp pain came. Now it hurts all the time.
You have a small cavity. We will do a filling.
Will it hurt?
Maybe a little pressure, not big pain. It will be quick. I hope everything will be fine. I am really worried. Nobody is answering the phone. Which type of filling do you want? Amalgam, composite, ceramic, gold, or glass ionomer?
Composite, please. Tooth colored. Which one is long-lasting and best for my mouth?
All of them are good. You can choose what you want. Composite looks natural.
Thank you.
Okay, we will do composite. Lie back, please. Open your mouth.
I hope you will not feel much pain. If you feel strong pain, raise your hand. The filling will be done soon.
Okay, one moment. Now let's just smooth this out a little bit. It shouldn't take much longer.
Okay, thanks.
Why is the door locked? Emily? Emily? Hi. How are you feeling now?
It still hurts.
I don't know how Mom is feeling. Oh, she looked very worried before the treatment.
I will give you medicine. Your pain will get better soon.
Thank you, doctor.
Mom, are you okay now?
A little better, but it still hurts.
Please wait. I want to tell you something. Brush your teeth 2 times a day. Use less sugar and avoid hard foods today. Drink water after sweets and keep your mouth clean. Come back for a checkup if the pain stays. Emily, are you okay? Where were you all? Why didn't you answer my phone? I was very worried.
Let's go inside. I will tell you everything that happened.
Dad, Mom had a bad toothache. We went to the dental hospital.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was so worried.
She is a little better now, but her cheek still hurts. Yes, I feel a bit better.
Emily, I called you many times. Where was your phone?
Dad, it was on the bed at home. She didn't hear it. Here, Mom, your phone was on the bed. I'm sorry, I didn't see it.
It's okay. I'm just happy you are safe.
I feel better now. I will take care of my teeth and protect them from germs. Please come quickly. Dinner is ready.
Today was a hard day.
Now let's forget the worries.
Thank you, Emily.
You work hard for us. You take care of us.
No need to say thank you. It is my duty. I stay with my family in hard times. I feel happy to do this.
Thank you, Mom. You cooked dinner when you were sick.
Mom, tell me next time. I can help you make dinner.
Thank you, Emma. Oh, I am okay now. I can do my work myself. Thank you for asking me.
Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe. Comment, do you brush your teeth 2 times a day? See you next time. Bye!